Yeah, I'm Perez, and I was born in Perez. I've been there all through grade school. Went to school in Kingsville, Texas, and graduated in Kingsville. And I've been in South Texas this whole time. I was approached about a year ago, told about this project. They told me about the dimensions, which was, of course, the most characteristic part of this whole thing, and asked if I would be interested. So before I even knew what I would do or what really it would entail, I said, yes, I'm interested. And I figured that there would be challenges all along the way that I was eager to try and do it. Thinking about the Alamo and more South Texas, I immediately was drawn to the cactus and the river which shows up in the background. My idea is that this was kind of like a landscape that might have been seen by early folks looking for a site for the Alamo, to site it along the San Antonio River. I had never done anything of this size, so there were challenges that were unique, but it was a great project, something that I was really honored to do. So it was all a great time for me working on this thing. And to see it here now is really pretty cool.